Welcome back. Another video. This is for a 99 through 2006 Silverado. If you've ever gone to unscrew the antenna like this, and it looks like this now, then this is the video for you. Alright, so that little point there on the antenna indicates that it's broken. So you'll need two new part numbers to fix this. One is the antenna mast itself. You will have to replace the entire antenna. That's here. And the other is the base, or what GM calls the antenna cable. I'm sorry I didn't get better footage of this tutorial, but I'll have a link in the description here of another gentleman that succeeded at this project as well. So this is the end result. This is what it looks like. This is how it should operate. You should be able to take your antenna on and off so that you go through a car wash, or for whatever reason, you should be able to take your antenna on and off. And so this is the video of us doing that right there at the end. Okay, to get started, you have to access the cable from underneath. So you'll have to rip out the dash a little bit. I didn't video that, but this is the cable you're looking for. Once you find it, you'll kind of pull on it and it'll disconnect. So you got this end and that end. That end is the antenna cable, part number 158291166, and what we're going to do is basically pull that guy out and put the new one in. Alright, so I used weed whacker string to pull it out. So I attached weed whacker string to it on this end really well with some electrical tape, and then pulled it through. And here's the other side of it. Again, I didn't film this really well, but this shows us pulling it all the way through, and now that part number has been removed. A couple things to note before you actually get here, though, is the cowl has to be removed. You can see that here. We've already removed the cowl. I didn't actually film that either. And the other thing is this part number has a little rubber grommet. And so this is probably the hardest part of this. You have to reach your hand in there. So pop the hood like this, reach your hand in there, kind of in towards the fender, and pull that rubber grommet out. And you'll unscrew the base of this as well. Alright, with the old part number out and the fish in there, you can now fish in the new part. So what you'll do is detach this old part, re-tape the new antenna cable, then pull it through. Don't forget to reattach it underneath. Here's a picture of that female end that you'll attach to. Then you can reattach the antenna, check the radio stations, make sure everything's working, and then put the cowl and everything back together, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Please remember to subscribe and drop any comments.